Hello friends, welcome to knowledgeola.com. Thanks a lot for your valuable suggestions and comments which we received from our old post which we posted in previous last couple of months. So those feedbacks are really appreciated because from those feedbacks and comments we are getting motivations and we are improving our skills day by day and making this knowledgeola.com very valuable for all the professional and students level uh, people. And it is also very good for us to understand what we are making mistake and what improvement we can do as a technical person if we are providing any technical solution in our website. So keeping in mind, we always prefer to get positive or negative comments because we as a knowledge of our team always open to improve our skills and provide very good and valuable tutorials in knowledgeola.com. So it is just a beginning. We are learning day by day. So in this learning series, maybe you are aware as I already posted some partial completed blogs for programming languages. So we started some kind of uh, programming programs. Basically, we are started writing some kind of simple or useful program which our technical people or students needs in daily basis. So maybe they are professional and they need in their program, in their work, so they can just get the concept from here and they can use. Also, it is very important for the student level student like 10th and 12th standard students in across the globe. So please take a look and understand what we are representing. So here we are using the Java language to write our program, and we are using Java program because Java language because Java language is very popular nowadays, and in most of the software industries, it is being used. And also, if you know the Java, as per my personal understanding, if you know the Java very well, you can learn any other language, any other object-oriented language, or maybe other language which is not related to Java also, because you know the syntax things. So syntax you can learn anytime. So here in this Java tutorial, Java programming tutorials, basically we will say here we are not writing program in a very highly efficient manner because we are keeping the audience like a student or fresher in our mind, and we are writing Java in a very basic concept because we understand if you know the basic concepts of a problem, how to solve this problem, then you can gain the other efficiency and other things later. But first of all you should know the basic understanding of the problem and how we can resolve that problem, and how we can convert that problem into a programming language. So here we are using very simple program, so please don't bother about this thing because there are various ways to solve a problem in the world. So we are taking very easy approach. So as a part of this series, I am going to explain one Java program which is written like Java program to find frequency of every digit in a number. So using this description, might be you understand what this problem is saying. This problem is related to a number, and from that number, we have to figure it out how many occurrences of that number occurred in your program. So we have written this program in using Java language, and we posted this program in our KnowledgeOla website. If you want to access, you can just go to technologies, you go to Java J2E, and then you will get this program as a sequence of many other programs. So this is Java program to find frequency of every digit in a number. So if you see, I have put some kind of basic introduction, like this program helps to retrieve frequency of digit from provided number, like number is this. I will explain it. And then I added the flow chart. Also, the people can understand how to write the flow diagram for a problem, because mainly in student syllabus, most of the Java programs, or many, basically you can say, in a problem they ask to write down the flow chart or some sequence diagram. So this is the flow diagram which I added for this program. So if you go through this flow chart, then you will understand how is the sequence and what kind of validations and what kind of means, number we have to pass here. And after this, I'm putting the Java program, the actual program. If you copy paste this program in your Eclipse or NetBeans or any other IDE which you want to use, it will run without any error, because it is a full program. And after this program, I am having outputs, like I executed some kind of scenarios in my local system before putting here. So that is the scenario number one, scenario number two. And then after that, I will post my video, this video which I am preparing right now, I will put here in this series. So this is the very basic uh, post for Java program to find out frequency of every digit in a number. So I will explain to you what is this and what this means to you. So here, so if you understand, I'm trying to say, so suppose there is a program, we have one program called 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4. So here the frequency of 1 is 1, and frequency of number 2 is 1, and frequency of number 4 is 1. Similarly, frequency of 5 is 1, and frequency of 6 is 1, and frequency of 4 is again 1. But you can understand the 4 repeated 2 times here. So we can say frequency of 4 is 2, not 1. So if we are going to represent the frequency of each number which occurred here, we can say in a tabular format, if you want, we can say 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, and 4 equal to 2. Sorry, this is not 2, this is 1. So we can say 1, and 5 equal to 1, and 6 equal to 1, and so on. So this is the problem. Now we understand the problem. What is the problem? Problem is to figure it out the frequency of each digit in a number. So now we have to convert this problem into a solution. So what is the solution? So for each and every language, first of all, as per my point of view, language doesn't matter here. First of all, you should understand how to write, how to change this problem into a solution. So suppose we have number, what logic we have to present here, and once you are knowing the logic, then you can write a program using any language. It doesn't matter. So here I'm trying to write the logic. So what should be the logic here? So suppose I have number, again I am taking one number to represent the logic. So suppose I have number like 2, 3, 5, 5 and 2. Okay. So this is the number which I am having. So how to count how many digits, how many frequencies are there for each and every digits. So what we can do, as we know, we have number from 0 to 9. Okay, so we have number 1, we have number 0, number 1, number 2, and so on till number 9. So what we can do, we can create some kind of bucket. Okay. So what we will do, we will create some kind of bucket. So we will put 0 here, we will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 9. Okay. So we are saying something like this. Okay. So this is 9. Yeah, I'm writing here. Okay. And these are the digits, and corresponding to this, I will put the number occurrence. Okay. So how we can calculate the total occurrence? So it is very simple. You know, maybe you studied in your elementary schools to figure it out this digit first. So how we can figure it out? We can understand it is a number. So number equal to this, or we can write here 23552. Okay. So now we will calculate the digit. So digit, what what we have to do to figure it out this digit? So figure it out the digit. What we can do, we can calculate the modulo of 10. So once you will do the modulo of this, then you will get the number 2. Okay. Then you go to digit a particular bucket of this digit. So it is a 2. So what I will do, I will write one kind of 1 or something. We will say 1. Or first we will initialize value as a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0 and 0. Now, once we are getting any digit, we will come to that particular bucket and we will increase 1. And then we will assign number equal to like 23552 divided by 10. That means now we have number this. Now again, repeat the sequence from here. Again, you will calculate the modulo. So once you calculate the modulo of this 2355, you will get 5 digit. Now we will come to in our bucket and we will increase 1. Then again we will repeat the same process and we will get the number 235 and we will get the modulo as a 5. So we will get 1. Again 5 is 1. Then now our number is 2 3. Now we will get the modulo. So we will get 3. So we will increase 3 by 1. Okay. Now again, now our number is 2. We will get the modulo of 2. We will get only 2. But it is not required. We will go and increase the 1. Now ultimately, when we are representing, we will check here that digit should be a non-zero value. Means if digit value is greater than 0, then only represent. So in this way, if you see 2 is 1 plus 1 2, 3 is only 1, 5 is plus 2 means 2, 1 plus 1 2, and yeah, that's it. So we will represent it something like 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 1, and 5 equal to 2. So this is the digit and this is their frequency. So you hope you understand the logic how we will do. So using this modulo operator, you can calculate the logic and then you can get the number using this division. So one more time I will explain to you so you can understand logic. Okay, so I'm going to represent the logic again. So I'm taking some new example. So suppose I have taken one new example like 3, 4, 4, 3, 1. Now this is our number. Okay, number is equal to 3, 4, 3, 1. Now we will figure it out the digit. So digit is nothing but 3, 4, 4, 3, 1 and modulo 10. So we will get, okay, sorry, we will get 1. So we will get 1. And we will create bucket here so we can easily understand what's going on. Okay, I think. Okay, so we got 1. Now we will, and we already assigned the value as a 0 for each and every digit. Now we will increase 1 by 1, and now we will calculate the number again. Number equal to 34431 divided by 10. So you will get number 3443. Now again we will calculate the modulo. So we will get that digit as a 3. So we will increase 3 here, and then again your number will be divided by 10. So you will get 344. Then again you will do the modulo and you will get 4. And then again you will get 4 one more time. And then you will get 3 one more time. So if you see, you will get 1 digit as 1 time, 3 digit 2 times, and 4 digit 2 times. Hope you understand this logic. This is a very basic logic. Please keep in mind we are writing for a very basic, uh, very basic user. So please understand. Okay, so we will go through our program one more time in our Eclipse. So you need Eclipse or any other IDE which you want to use as a development environment. So I'm using Eclipse in my system, and I have pasted that program here in my Eclipse. So you have to create one Java program, and in the Java program you will already get source. So just copy paste that program from my post to here, then you will get this program. So here in this program, if you see, if you are very beginner, if you are just a beginner in a Java language, then you know you have to define the class, and first class should be your public class, and then you have to put some kind of public static void main, because this method is the main method that is going to start the execution of your program. And here I used buffer reader because I'm trying to get the number from the keyboards. So if you want to hard code, that is also, you just hard code the value here, but I'm taking from input from keyboards. So I'm using buffer reader. We are equal to new buffer reader, new input string, then system.in. So system.in is nothing but from the keyboard. So I am saying enter any number, and then this line will come, and I will enter any number. Then what I am doing here, I am converting, because from keyboard always it will come as a string. So I will convert that number string as a number, integer basically. And then I know there is only 10 digit basic digits, and that only have the frequencies. So I'm creating one array of size 10. Okay, so you can also create list or some other Java APIs or Java things. So, but I'm using very basic one, uh, array, and then I'm initializing the value of each and every digit as a 0, as I mentioned here in my uh, explanation. So each and every digit I'm mentioning, I'm initializing with the 0, with a 0. Okay, and then I started the number. First, before starting executing the number, I'm saying number should be greater than 0. If number is greater than 0, then only I'm coming here till the number is greater than 0. This is a while loop. If number is gone beyond the 0, then this loop won't execute. So I'm checking digit, I'm calculating the digit from the number. So then I'm using modular operator as I explained to you, and then frequency of digit. Frequency is nothing but our array which we created, and you are just passing that digit. Suppose we got two numbers, then frequency of two means nothing. Frequency of two is nothing but the value of array at place two, and then I'm increasing one. That means the value of that particular array value I increased one, and then again I am means I am calculating the number by division operator. Okay, so I will keep doing this thing till the number is greater than 0. Okay, then here again I am iterating one for loop to display the value. So for before uh, displaying the value, I am checking the value of that particular array uh, index, basically. Suppose the position uh, array at the position of 0, array at the position of 1, something like that is not equal to 0, then only we consider. Otherwise, no need. So how to execute this program? The execution of this program is very easy and simple. So just right click in the program, and then you will get to an option called run as. So once you put your mouse pointer run as, then you will get Java application. And click on Java application, then your console window will open here, and it will ask you to put the number. So I'm writing a number, enter any number. So enter any number. So I will put like 654 6584421, and then hit the enter button. So once you hit the enter button, then it will represent all the digits available in this number with its frequency. So if you see digit 1 is only one time, digit 2 is also one time, but digit 4 is a two times, and digit 8, 6, digit 6 is a one time, and digit 8 is a one. So this is the program which we have written in our Knowledge Wala website. Hope you understand the concepts of this program, the logic as well as Java program. Please add your valuable suggestions uh, so we can improve our technical stuffs as well as the explanation if you want any. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.